Hello everyone, welcome back to the Electroledge, where the knowledge makes effect. So, today we are going to see the addition of two 16-bit numbers using 8051 microcontroller. Let's begin.
So, first of all, go to Start menu, click on MCU 8051 IDE. If you don't have the 8051 IDE software, the link in the description below. So, let's begin with the addition of 16-bit data. So, when we writing a program, first of all, we need to start with the program of origin org 00h, which means the starting memory location is 00h. So when we writing a program of 16-bit addition, we need a 16-bit address for one variable and 16-bit address of another variable. So we are using here the data pointer, that is DPTR, for 16-bit data storage, and accumulator and register B for the rest 16-bit data. So first of all, we are going to enter the first value, that is move dph comma hashtag 12, okay, and move dpl comma hashtag 11. So we have entered the 16-bit data, that is 1211. The DPH means data pointer higher bit and DPL means data pointer lower bit. Sorry. So this is a 16-bit data which is stored on the data pointer. Let enter the another data which is in the accumulator and register B. So move A comma hashtag 11 and move B comma hashtag 12. Okay, so we got another data, that is 11 and 12. So when we are adding the two 16-bit digit. So while doing any operation, the operation is carried out by using just accumulator. The one operand is stored in the accumulator and the result is also stored in the accumulator. So you have to place one value in the accumulator. So first of all, we do the 11. This is a higher, we are considering A is a higher and B is a lower. So our another 16-bit data is 1112. So let's see, we have a calculator over here. So we are adding 1211 plus 1112. Okay, so we got the data, result is 2323. So let's find out what our program can do. So add A comma DPH, that is data pointer higher bit. Then the result will store in the accumulator. So move the data of accumulator to the DPH. So the content of accumulator will move to the DPH. Now we want to add another 8-bit, that is DPL and register B. So we have to move the register B into accumulator. So move A comma B. So now the one data is in the accumulator and rest data in the data pointer low. So add it, add A comma DPL and store the result on the DPL. So move DPL comma A. So we are done with the program, and our final result will store in the DPTR, that is DPH and DPL. So let's end the program by writing end. Okay, so we are done with the coding over here. So click on the start simulator, create a file name 16-bit addition. Click on OK and click on the run program. So we got here say 1717, which is in the form of decimal. You can see in the decimal 23, and DPL is also in the decimal 23. So let's see a step-by-step program what we have done over here. First of all, we add the DPH, that is 0C in the hexadecimal form and 12 in the decimal form. Then we enter the DPL, that is 0B in the hexadecimal and 11 in the decimal. Then we move the 11 to the accumulator, that is 0B, and in the form of decimal it's a 11, and 12 in the register B, that is 0C in the form of hexadecimal number. Then we added the data pointer high, this data pointer high, into the accumulator, and the result will store in the accumulator. Then this result is transferred to the data pointer high. The data pointer high will change in 23. So now we are going to move the register B into register A. So let's see. Yes, so we moved the content of register B to the accumulator. Okay, now what will happen? The remaining data pointer low will added to the accumulator, and the result is in the accumulator. Now we are going to move this result from accumulator to data pointer low. See the next step. The value of data pointer low is changed, and it is a decimal 23. So this is the complete addition of 16-bit data, and now we are done with the program. So this is the 16-bit addition of and this is up to today. See you in the next video. This is Chandrakant signing off. Thank you.